Hello and hi everyone. So guys, other than new moon, other than solar eclipse, another thing that has been said about today's date, that is 29th March, is about the Saturn transit into Pisces, right? So behalf of this, we will see some messages for Pisces zodiac and also what our Saturn planet is trying to tell us. Let's see. So the first message over here is that this energy is wistful, endlessly loving, compassionate, and forgiving. It confuses and softens resolve. So, guys, what I would say, what I am getting is because of this transit, maybe in your emotions, your mental state of mind, somewhere it has become very confusing. Like you may not be understanding what's going on with you or whatever, but still your energy is so loving and compassionate, also forgiving, that still because this Pisces people are such, actually it's a water sign, so water sign, it's a lot related to emotions. So whatever the situation is, but still you're so loving, you're so forgiving, you're so like you like to stay in in that energy with each and everyone. So here's the first message. If your moon sign is Pisces, so here's the message for you, which says follow your dreams. So guys, whatever you have in your mind, whatever dreams you always you wanted to achieve, now is the time to follow those dreams. Yes, Saturn planet will be looking what you are doing. Are you really following what you are made to do? Right? So do follow your dreams. Do not ignore it. If your sun sign, like the date, your sign according to your date of birth, if it's Pisces, then here's the message for you. Align yourself with love and wisdom. You have a higher purpose on this planet. I would say try to connect with it by meditating, by taking spiritual guidance, by chanting mantras or doing spiritual things. It will really help you to get to know what is your higher purpose, and this is what your higher purpose is. That is, you need to stay in that loving energy, and yes, wisdom. Yes, you need to gain a lot of knowledge related to something, maybe about life, your journey. And let's see what Saturn planet is telling us. Here's the message. The part of you that accepts challenge to gain wisdom. So whatever may be your situation currently, still a part of you, within you, maybe your subconscious mind, or say anything, your soul, and it has already accepted whatever you are going through, and that part of yourself already knows that whatever will happen, it will be for your own good. That will give you a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience, and yes, that will help you to gain a lot of wisdom with respect to life, with respect to your spiritual journey, or whatever your journey is about. So these were few messages with respect to the Saturn transit into Pisces. Thank you.